Hello guys, today we cooked pea soup with pork, so stay tuned and watch how we cooked it. Okay guys, so here are ingredients for pea soup with pork. Here we have red split lentils, yellow split peas. You soak them in water for about 1 hour after you wash them thoroughly and drain water. 340 grams of pork. We will brown it with 1 small onion, another small diced onion. We will prepare the flavor base with 2 carrots. Here we have 550 grams of potato, peppercorns, bay leaf, salt. Okay guys, here I have a carrot and this is the KitchenAid peeler, I can call it. So with this special blade you can easily peel any veggie. Okay, now I will brown the meat. For that, heat the frying pan, add some vegetable oil, add 1 diced onion, cook it for 2-3 minutes, and next I will add pork cubes. You need to stir and cook it for about 2-4 minutes. You turn around and you cook it until it changes color. Okay, that's it. Okay, preparing the flavor base. Adding 1 diced onion. Okay, adding carrots. Guys, after 5-6 minutes of cooking carrots and onion together, we power off the heat. We seasoned pork with steak spices. Now you can see my pressure cooker and I will place the diced potatoes at the bottom of the pressure cooker pot. Next I will add the soaked peas and lentils and the bay leaf. Next I add the flavor base. Next I add the browned pork. Now I add minced garlic. Now I will add boiling water from the kettle. It will speed up the process because when you close the lid on the pressure cooker, first it should bring water to the boil and next it will build the steam and after it will start to cook. Okay, so this water level is not enough, I will add more. So about that. You can see here that line, it says max, so it's about thickness of 1 finger below. Okay, so closing the lid, turn valve to seal position. Here I press pressure cook 10 minutes. And don't forget high pressure. Okay guys, so you release the steam by turning this Gently this side, counterclockwise. Be careful, this steam is very hot. Once it's released, turn this lid. This is what we got. So it's cooking without any intervention. You just wait until it shows here 0 and off. You taste with wooden spoon, and like you can add more spices, salt, it depends.